Hello everyone, hello my people, welcome again into my channel. As you are new here, subscribe to my channel, comment, like, share, do everything. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome again. Continue being there, settle there, like, comment, subscribe, and more. Oh, this is the moment that you want to do something here that I want to show you one on one. Come on, let me do laundry with you guys. Here is the place that we switch on our power for the laundry machine. Here guys is where we open the water. It is off like this way, so we switch it on this way. Guys, here we have this one is the outlet, here is the inlet, and this one is the one that is connected to the power to our machine. This is how our machine looks like. The way you see it, yes, this is the name of it. You can see it here, the teeth. So as we can open, you can see inside how it is, how everything is on their position. Okay. When it comes to soap, here is where we open. Here we put the powder, the liquid one, the this one is the perfume, where we place the perfume. Kgs. Here we can see the direction of how we can use it as we want to start to wash it. So you can turn this one to the location where you want it to be washed, like cotton, whatever. This one, everything that you, here we have the delicate one, hands, wool, sportwear, everything that you can see there. Okay guys, and here we have the timer, the degrees, the whatever, you can see it. Friends, here are the clothes that we are going to wash it using the machine. Here are the clothes. Now it is our time to arrange them, then to put them inside the machine for the rest. You turn them like this way. Then you close the zip for the zipper ones. Then you check the pockets. If we have anything that can destroy the machine, you check inside before you put them inside. Okay. So here we have the another trouser. We turn them from the way they are. This one is not a must. This one, like, I prefer washing this one with my hand, because this one is a school t-shirt. And here, when you put in the machine, it doesn't come completely clean. We still have some black that. So I prefer washing it by my hands, or whatever, that way. The way you can understand it. This other thing, like this tic tac. This tic tac, I call it tic tac. So you close there, then you put inside. I usually call it tic tac. The pockets, mostly for children, even for bigger people. Older people usually even left some things on their pockets, so you must check. This one I wash them. I don't place them in the machine because they'll not come out that clean that a person can like. It is written here. Guys, if you can see here, it is written after washing the machine, you wipe. You dry these ones here. Here it is written like when you remove the clothes, don't like usivurute vurute ikivutana na hii machine hapa. Okay? And here socks, bras you put in this bag, but me I usually prefer to wash them. Here anything in the pockets you remove them out. That is it. Here is where the cleaner is for the machine. You can see it, how it is. That is how it is. So we are not going to continue putting more. Let's use. So here I will come just, you see, it is loaded, okay? So I'll just close it by this way. Close it here. Press it inside. I just have one detergent here. This is just Toss White Machine Wash detergent powder only. Yes, here, I open here. Then surely put 1 spoon. Put it here. A little more. That's it. Then I use mixed fabric. Then I press here. This is the time until it will come out. It will come up and it will show just in seconds or minutes. Now see guys, our timer is 1 hour 21 minutes. Okay, that is how it has started washing. Then it will come here, then the finishing. It has been locked. You see the lock? That is how it is. Now we wait until it finish. It will just ring the bell. It has a bell, like it just remove that sound, then you know it has finished. It has now reached 15. It's on raising. Then it dries. You see this one now is off. This one is off. Now it is rinsing here. Then it dries, then we remove it out. It's now 8. It's now 8. It is rinsing. It is dry. You see now this one has turned off. The second one has turned off. Now it is for the last one. This one is the last one. You see how it is coming down until it reaches 1. Then it ended off completely for the finish. Guys, it's now 2. It's now 2. 2, 2, 2. Then it will end off. Just minutes. My people, it has now turned to 1. To 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. That is the end. That is the end of our first wash for our clean clothes. Now it's time to remove them out. When it is off, you can open like this way. You see? Now it's time to remove them outside. After you have removed, you see here, we follow this one. So you clean up. I have here a wet, let me come with a wet towel. This is what I usually use. This one. I wipe here for this water and some soap that remains. I dry it. Only this part. Okay, this way. Even this one, this way, it is not necessary for this moment. Another part is here, the dough here. You see this soap that remains while it was washing. It was cleaning our clothes. So you just wipe with your wet. That is it, my people. Then we remove this one. Wait, this is only the last one. For now, let me just do it. Then this one, you remove it outside. This one. Then you do wash. You see this soap that remains here. You clean up. You clean up this one. So we're going to clean it. I have finished cleaning it. Now it's my time to wipe it for a little bit. Return it for the next wash. Return it inside for the next wash. For the next wash. Okay, you see, it's now out. If you don't clean, it will put some. You'll be looking bad. Not that clean. Okay. So you wipe here before you insert it inside, guys, my people. You see, sometimes we're gonna get here some water even soap, you see. So you just do clean, then you insert it inside. That way for the next wash, and that is it. Thank you guys for watching my video. Kindly subscribe, comment, share. Welcome. Continue being there for me. Thank you for your support. Let us meet on the another video that I will be uploading next.